Overview of queries.
A query is a set of qualities or criteria that you can specify to retrieve specific information from a database. You can use queries to view, change, and analyze information in different ways. You can also use them as the source of records for forms, reports, and data access pages. There are 5 main types of queries: Select, Parameter, Crosstab, Action, and SQL.
Select queries are the most common type of query. They retrieve data from one or more tables and then display it in a datasheet. They can also be used to group records and calculate sums, counts, and averages.
Parameter queries first display dialog boxes that prompt users for information about the records they're looking for, and then display all of the records that meet those specifications.
Action queries make changes to several records in a single operation. They perform actions such as deleting and updating records, appending table records to other tables, or creating tables from all or part of the data in other tables.
Crosstab queries calculate and display summarized values such as sums, counts, and averages, and group them based on 2 sets of parameters, one listed down the left side of the data sheet and the other listed across the top.
Finally, SQL queries are created using structured query language or SQL statements. When you create a query in Design View, Access constructs the equivalent SQL statements in SQL View for you. Some SQL queries called SQL-specific queries can't be created in the Query Design Grid. For these queries, you must create the SQL statements directly in SQL View.
Understanding the types of queries available in Access and their purposes can help you locate and gather information from a database.